In this video, we will learn how to install Java on Windows 10. So let's begin. So to install Java JDK 8 on Windows 10, it is really simple. Just go and open your browser. Make sure that you are connected to the internet because we need to download Java JDK first. So just go and search for Java JDK respective version. If you want to download 11 or 8, just go and search for it. So here we are. Just go and click on this Java SE Development Kit 8 link. So once we are here, just go and scroll down below and first accept the license agreement. Now we need to download the respective version for our system. In my case, I have 64-bit system, so I would be downloading this one. In your case, if you have 32 or 64, just go and download the respective version. In order to check what kind of system you have, just go to your start, type in for this PC, right click it, and here go to properties. So against the system type, you can see what kind of system you have. So I have 64-bit, I would be downloading the 64-bit file. So here I am downloading it. Nowadays, when downloading the Java JDK, it asks you to log in with your Oracle account. So you need to create an Oracle account and log in. Just once you log in, the download will start. So I have already downloaded it. So I would just go to my downloads. So here it is Java JDK 8 64-bit. So I would just go and open it. It is really simple. Just go just go and click on yes. The installation part is easy, but the adding the path part that makes the Java easily accessible and easy to run, that is a part that you need to learn. So in case of installation, it is really simple. Just go next processes. So it is next. So it would automatically be doing the installation. I will be back when this process has completed. So here click on next, and this process will take a bit of a time. I will be back. Installs is the Java runtime environment, that is JRE. So you need to just go and click on next, and through the process it will be installed automatically. I will be back. So here you can see the installation has completed successfully. Just go and close it. Once you are done so, now just go and open your command line to make sure that you have installed the Java. So command prompt, open it, and here if you type in for Java C, that is a Java compiler, it says it is not recognized. To make it recognized, you need to add your environment variable. For that, just go to your C drive where you have installed your Java JDK. So go to your program files, and here we have Java. Just go and open it, and here we have Java JDK. Now go to the bin, and here you can see we have all the files, required files. So click here and copy this path by Control C. And once you are here, just start and type in here for this PC. So here we have this PC, right click it and go to properties. So here we have properties. Now click on advanced system settings. Now click on environment variables, and here you need to find out the path variable. So under the system variables, you need to find out the path variable. So we have path variable. First edit it. Now type in for click on new path, paste your path that you have just copied by Control V. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now if you type in the same command, you need to restart your command prompt. So just go and restart it and type in the same command, that is Java C. Now you can see that it is a little bit processing, and you can see the Java has successfully installed. So hope it would help you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.